You see the difference? Let me turn off the light. See, you don't really see there. It works fine, right? So I know those are designed for Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back here again to my part 2 laundry and furnish enclosure. So today we'll start our painting first before we'll install all the doors. Alright, so now let's do some painting. Alright, so now we're done. That's our second coat. Make sure we have the length. Alright, so now it's good to go. So that piece, we have to put it inside there. See that one there? So we have to get it inserted. See, it's hollow now. So we gotta insert that piece. Probably somewhere. So we gotta put this one in inside. But first we have to shave this, right? Shave on the table saw. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so let's insert this one inside here. So that this one goes here. Here we go. Right. There you go. Alright, so now this time we're going to prep the hinge plate for the doors. Yeah. That's it. Now let's do the other one. Alright, so now we're done. Alright, so right now we're going to install the hinge plate. Okay, now let's go on that side. Yeah, should be okay. Alright, so now let's bring it inside. Alright, so we need some shims. Like this. I usually just drop it from the top plate, from the top casing, about 1/8. I'll just put 2 for now. Okay, let's see how it looks. There you go. That's good there. That one there, we need to adjust a little bit. That's why I only put 2 screws, so that way we can still adjust it. Okay, next one. You probably noticed that I did not cut out the hinge plate on the door jamb, because that's how I measured the width, right? And plus, this is not a bedroom anyhow, so I may have to, or maybe not. We'll see. That's why I didn't cut it out yet, because I need to see like the gap and stuff like that. That's why you'll see like over a quarter. See that? Because I didn't notch it up. Because I need to see. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so I don't really need it. We're on the money, I think. Alright, so both doors are good, so next one is that one now. Let's check it first. Alright, so I have these pieces. Alright, that goes. I'm gonna be using as a stopper. That's gonna go here. I'll go like that. Okay. It's supposed to be 2. Okay. Like that. It should be good there. Okay, so that's done. One more. Okay, we're good. Alright, so this one goes like that. That's the reason why we gotta put this one first so that way we can line up. There you go. Alright, so we need the nail gun. Alright, so let's secure everything. Now let's do the other one. So it's going to be the same process. Let's double check first. Alright, so that's good. Alright, so what I'm doing here, these are the to block the reflection of the light inside. Right, you don't really need it because this is not a bedroom or something. It's just faucets or something like that. You don't really need it. It's just to block the in between the space of the door jamb and the door. So that's why I strip it. That's why I'm sanding it to smoothen it. Alright, so we're just gonna cut it to a height and then we can install. Alright, so we're done. Okay, so how do I line up my stopper? What do you call this exactly? Door stopper? So I'll let the door close fully like that. Okay, and then just go against. That's it. I don't really put it right against it. I'll leave like 1/16 space like that. See that? That's good. So the same thing on the other side. You see the difference? Let me turn off the light. See, you don't really see there. This one here. Once we put that strapping, then you won't really see that light. All right. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, let's do this one. that furnish on-off switch. I'm gonna move it here. So first thing we gotta put we gotta put this way. That's it. All right, so we're done. So now we're just gonna paint the doors. Okay, so now we're gonna put it back the baseboards that we took it out from here. There we go. All right, so let's do painting. All right, so now let's do a second coat. All right, so that is the final finish of the trim works in the door. All right, so right now we're going to install the door handle. All right, so this one is the simplest one because they're just dummy. Okay, so it's like standard 36 from the ground, usually 3-inch, but that's the center. Okay. Okay. There you go. Right, so let's do the other two. All right, so now this is our complete furnish and the laundry French door access or enclosure. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. I hope that what we did today, it helped us to give some ideas. So until next time, I'll see you guys back here again on the same channel for something more that we can do it ourselves. So this door is not heavy, right? So I know those are designed for like cabinet, small doors, stuff like that, but this is pretty light, right? It works good.